here. Check what we have. Oh my gosh. This is my first ever MacBook Air. MacBook, any type of MacBook. An M1 MacBook. You can see there's like a little pull tab here. We're just gonna rip it. Ooh, no, that's a stick. Oh, so satisfying, guys. Alright. Let's turn it this way. And we got a receipt. So I took the Space Gray M1 version, 256 gigabyte. And let's, oh my god, I can't believe it. Alhamdulillah. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm shouting. Look, guys. Oh, and then we pull it. Oh, yes. Freaking epic. So we just pull it out. Oh, yo. Let's just pull it out. Just like that. Oh wow, it is heavy. This is the back. Careful, this is $4 grand. This is the most expensive tech I've ever bought. I bought a lot of tech stuff. So yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. So 8 gig unified memory, 256 SSD, 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip, guys. Yes. Let's see what's here. MacBook Air. Another top. Oh, space gray. Beautiful. Smell test. Oh, smell freaking new. Look at that. Look at that. This side, so it has 2 USB Type-C port. But yeah, let's do it. Okay. Pull tab right here. Pretty. And oh my gosh. Guys. Oh, it's the best part. Is the plastic, taking off the plastic. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Take that away. And just lift it. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! Bros! Smell test. Oh, it smells so good. Put that to a side. Yo! I can't believe it! So, you know, it's not cheap. Oh, yo! I can't believe it! Oh, it's actually pretty heavy. Yeah, it's actually pretty heavy. I did not think it would be this heavy. Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side first. Let's see what else we have. So this is the Type-C to Type-C cable for charging because it has a 2 USB Type-C ports. So we're gonna need to use this. And then we have a design by Apple in California. Service card. What do we get? Probably some stickers. Yes, look at that sticker. It's the same color, space gray. And this is the manual. Oh my god, I have watched so many unboxing videos of the MacBook Air M1. Oh, it even smells good, guys. How? This is in different language. is not plastic, this is paper, I think. Ooh, 50-watt charger. Just like that. And then you plug the USB Type-C right there. 30-watt. Cool. Cool. Just need to take. Let's do a smell test. Smells so good. So yeah, so this is that. See the back. Be careful. 4 rubber feet. So this has no fans. Fanless MacBook Air. And then on this right hand side, we have the what is this thing called? Headphone jack. And then on this side, we have the 2 USB Type-Cs. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Oh, so satisfying. Guys, so freaking good. Oh my god. Okay, I like this color. Look at that. Magnificent piece of technology. Okay. Beautiful. Oh my god, I cannot believe I have a MacBook Air. Thank you to everybody who has supported me in my decision to get an M1. So check it out, how thin this is. Oh my god. Okay, this is the one-handed test. Oh, yo, oh my god. Oh, no way. Look at that. Look at that boot up. And then we have this. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Let's do this. Oh, look at the backlit keyboards. Oh.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Return key. Yes. Oh. Oh, what was that? Oh, okay. Alright, yes, Malaysia. Oh, okay, I forget. Windows, you can just tap to click, but on Apple, it's like you have to press to click. Written and spoken languages. Okay. Accessibility. Not now. Selecting internet. Okay, there you go. It's connected. Data and privacy. Continue. Okay, how do you want to transfer? Not now. Natutup na yan to. Kita pa. Apple ID. Yes, we did it. Okay, I understand, even though nobody reads this. now we're doing a computer account. Okay. Full name will be the name of your home folder. You know what a home folder is? I don't like this one. Default. Let's go for penguin. Cute. Okay, password. Okay, it's setting up iCloud. Pretty load. Oh, there you go. Find my device. Continue. Express setup. What is this? It's fine. Siri. Enable as Siri, yes. As Siri in English.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
This one. Hey. Yay! It is ready. Improve. No, it's okay. I don't want to improve. Bro, I love this trackpad. I mean, I've read reviews say that Apple makes the best trackpad. What is this? 5 volt secures. Sure. Ooh, we got a touch ID right here. That's cool. So just press. Oh wow, this is cool. And then you just like the edges. Oh, there you go. It's done. Is that the final setup? Choose your look. Okay, I like light mode. Come at me, but I like light mode. So we have true tone display. See without tutu. Oh, it's like more yellowy like here and more blue. I can't wait to use it. This is the speaker. Oh, look at that. It's done. It's done. It's done, bros. It's done. Yo, it looks so pretty. And then we have the battery. Battery preferences. What is this? Okay. This is our spotlight. This is our control center. Siri. Oh, look at that. T trackpad. Yes. Maybe a bit faster. Oh, it's too fast. Okay. Yay, now we can. Okay, so yeah. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. I will do a more in-depth like workflow and things in a later video. So I'm gonna explore more on this Apple MacBook Air M1 version. But for now, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Apple related things. Slam it. Boop. Oh, satisfying. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.